This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Hi-Ho. Discover your dream home with this turnkey-ready property with lots of upgrades, featuring the desirable Cali floor plan. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home is beautifully upgraded and meticulously maintained, offering a seamless move-in experience. Key highlights include a newly added walkway and back patio for outdoor enjoyment, complete with a private fence for your solitude. The property also boasts practical upgrades such as gutters, a sprinkler system, and all essential appliances included, ensuring a hassle-free transition. With its blend of comfort, elegance, and convenience, this home is ready to welcome you to your new beginning. For more information, review the details below or contact Hi-Ho at 888-668-8288.